Young Protege.
DJ Pain 1.
Sure. I was lost way before this shit came. And I was a slave, nigga, and I was a slave. Let's get it. I'm way too high, don't fuck up my vibe. I murdered yourself, the murdering niggas on slow instrumentals is not a surprise. I murdered this shit, left it for envious niggas to get it and make a disguise. Now humble yourself and tell me that I will be famous forever, the greatest forever. I've seen too many lost souls that find themselves become famous overnight. In the moment of life, goes to the monuments of champagne put over ice. Too fast for the unborn, cause I give birth to verses that's out of space. Too swear for the unsworn, then swear to a God that'll probably burn your face. Say hello to the kiss of death and take steps to a king that evaluates your fate. I give thanks to the young core. By the time you break, there'll be segments in your grave. Now the levels increases, but the rebel deceases and hibernates in place. With no help from the demons, they will find you in pieces and bury them for grace. Why? Is it something new to me? I will confess I usually my expectations on the rise. Spitting balls that might devastate the skies. Put your lighters up, but don't burn the angels. Just twist your fingers. Represent your hood and get it understood that this is nothing. I live life like corruption. I was lost way before this shit came. And I was a slave, nigga, and I was a slave. Chill. I was a slave. Do you know what to do in a situation when it comes to you? But if the confrontation is uncomfortable, then you can never face it without guns or truth. Should I lie? Look in my eyes, it's just you and I cock my 9 and put it to your mind and blow all your thoughts away. Another life is gone cause my rights were wrongs. You look devastated cause all of my complies are premeditated. Whatever make the skies look segregated. Is it the death or desires of the separation? So don't dispute when there's strangers shoots and those people die. You meet the flames while they meet the sky. You tend to burn while they tend to earn a new life of mine is so vaporized, I can't waste the time. But I could try to be a humble person. Cut off the head once I find a serpent, then kindly birth into something perfect. I'm kinda nervous, but I can face it. Brace yourself, it's my time to make it. Once I make it, I'm taking over. Cause life is nothing, I tend to live my life like corruption. Somebody pray for me. Cause somebody pray for me. Ayy, I don't want nobody wait for me. I just wanna be great, I just wanna be great. I just wanna be great, I just wanna be great. I was lost way before this shit came. And I was a slave, nigga, and I was a slave. Chill.